Please hit on the subscribe button for get more videos. Hey friends, what's up? Today I will show you how to enable touchscreen home button on iPhone or iPod. So let's get started. First, you have to go settings, then tap on general, then tap on accessibility, then tap on assistive touch. At the top, make sure the assistive touch button on or off. When you on, it's open your home button. Then you can easily go back your home, and it's very cool and very easy. Now if you want to remove this home button, press on off this assistive touch and it will easily remove. So friends, please like, comment and share our video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.